Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel for parcel unboxing. We got this from Sir Dave Gulifardo. So what we have here, this is a diecast truck at 1:50 scale. Surprisingly guys, we found a decent model of MAN. So based on initial inspection, this is unsealed, near mint condition. So I am very pleased to have this item kasi we will able to compare yung craftsmanship ng diecast na to dun sa current natin na Techno Collectibles. And you will be surprised guys kung ano yung brand nito. So currently guys, meron akong dalawang MAN. Isang 1:50 na Conrad brand. We recently na ginawa natin ng modification yung bumper. While yung isa, it is an IXO brand na 143. So this is 1:50. And I'm glad na nakapag-secure tayo nitong model na to. Alright, so ito siya guys. Secured yung parcel ni Sir Dave. Thank you very much Sir Dave para sa item na to. Let's unwrap this. Box condition tong nakuha natin guys. So this is the MAN TGX 41540 4x2 semi-tractor model, Chrome series by NCG model at 1:50 scale. So na-secure natin siya na may box pa guys. So yun yung name ng model niya. This is made by NCG MAN TGX 4x2 Shuttle Sag Machina. Alright, so this is the reference number. When you scale niya guys, 1:50. Okay, so this is a collector's item. So open na natin guys. Disadvantage lang nito guys, this is a print magnet. Very fine yung model na to. Okay, so syempre of course tatanggalin natin sa box to. Yung acrylic niya guys may logo ng NCG. Alright, for the materials in this product, lahat ng nakikita nyong chrome is die-cast metal except yung details ng antenna, yung moonroof, clear acrylic windshield and side windows, classic yung mga side mirrors, naka body color, may logo dito ng MAN and emblem, plastic inserts, headlights and signal lights. On the side, yun yung model niya guys, that is TGX 41.540. Sa sidings may logo ng MAN. Plastic yung mga rims. Rubber wheels with good track pattern. At the back merong mga hoses. Diamond plating. Ito yung fifth wheel. At the bottom, plastic insert stoplights. May mga logo ng MAN. Plastic yung mga mud flaps. To the other side, and for the bottom details, may logo ng NCG doon, and may print na 1:50 made in China. For the functionality, meron siyang wheel steering. And yung fifth wheel may movement. Unfortunately guys, sa NCG model wala siyang head tilt. Kaya ako nasabi, wala kasi ako makitang gaps between. And when we try to move, wala siyang movement. So yun lang ang difference ng NCG model. Alright, so let's check the weight. Alright, so that's the weight guys, that is 309 grams. And for the size comparison, I have here the Scania S730 V8 by Techno Collectibles. That's the model. And ito yung V8 logo. Okay, ang Techno Collectibles, meron siyang head tilt na wala sa NCG model. I guess para lang doon sa series na yun. This is the actual MAN 4x2 TGX 41.540 model. So based on research, NCG has a 3x ratio of this model. It's the 6x2, 4x2, and the 8x4. Ang disadvantage lang ng color na to guys, this is a print magnet. Nevertheless, very solid yung model na to. Alright, so that's much of it. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe guys for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos, and goodbye.
In the dark where shadows lie, feel the monster.